Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர் என்னன்னா ஹெல்த் அண்ட் ஹைஜீன் பார்ட் 2 ஃப்ரம் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1. நம்ம போன சாப்டரில் பார்த்தது வந்து பாக்டீரியா எப்படி ஒரு ஆளுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுன்றது பார்த்தோம். இந்த சாப்டர் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வைரஸ், அது எப்படி பரவுது, அதோட ப்ரிவென்ஷன் அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எய்ட்லாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Diseases caused by virus. Virus diseases are extremely widespread infection caused by many types of viruses. In this lesson, you will learn about some diseases caused by virus like hepatitis, chickenpox, and rabies. Hepatitis is one of the most dangerous and fatal diseases caused by hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, E. It is mode of transmission is contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. The symptoms of hepatitis: loss of appetite, vomiting, eyes and urine in yellow color. Hepatitis virus வந்து லிவரில் தான் தாக்கும். ப்ரிவென்ஷன் அண்ட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா ட்ரிங்கிங் பாயில்டு வாட்டர், ப்ராப்பர் கிளீனிங் ஆஃப் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். Chickenpox, also known as varicella, is a highly contagious infection caused by varicella zoster virus. This disease spreads through air and contact with an infected person. Its symptoms is appearance of rash on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness. Prevention and treatment. The chickenpox varicella vaccine is the best way to prevent chickenpox. Special attention should be given to the infected person. Rabies is a fatal disease which is transmitted by the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. The virus present in the saliva of dog enters the brain via neurons. The symptoms of the rabbit is hydrophobia, extreme fever for water, fever for 2 to 12 weeks and a exaggeration in behavior. Prevention and treatment. In early stages, rabies is very difficult to detect. After an animal is bitten, it usually takes 2 to 12 weeks to show only symptoms, and it may take as long as 2 years also. Fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before the onset of symptoms. Rabies எப்படிலாம் பரவுதுன்னு போட்டுறாங்க. வைரஸ் enters via animal bite. Second வந்து virus replicates the muscle at site of bite. Virus infects nerve in peripheral nervous system, moves by retrograde transport. Virus replicates in dorsal root ganglion and travels up spinal cord to brain. Brain infect ஆகும். Virus travels from brain via nerves to other tissues such as eye, kidneys and salivary glands. Do you know vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular disease. Vaccines like BCG, polio, MMR are given at early childhood to protect from other diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases do not spread from person to person. They are caused by other factors. Therefore, it is important to know which sickness are communicable and which are not. They are never caused by germs, bacteria or other living organisms that infect the body. Antibiotics or medicines that fight against germs do not help to cure non-communicable diseases. Problems caused by wearing out of body parts: rheumatism, heart attack, epileptic seizures, stroke, migraine headache, cataract and cancer. Problems caused by external harmful agents entering the body: allergies, asthma, poison, snake bite, cough from smoking, stomach ulcer and alcoholism. Problems caused by a lack of trace elements in the body: anemia, pellagra, night blindness and xerophthalmia, goiter and hypothyroidism. Problems caused by malnutrition. Nutritious food is needed for a person to grow well, work hard and stay healthy. Many common sicknesses are caused by malnutrition. Do you know Leukoderma is a non-communicable disease caused by partial or total loss of pigmentation in the skin, melanin pigment. This condition affects any age, gender, and ethnicity. There is no cure. It does not spread by touching, sharing food, and sitting together. Specific health problems of children வந்து அனிமியா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அது எப்படி பரவுதுன்னா, it is caused by eating food with less iron content and also caused due to feeding some other food instead of breast milk. Severe anemia in children may lead to hookworm infection, வயிற்றுப்பூச்சி, chronic diarrhea and dysentery. In recent days, school-going children, especially the girls, are affected by anemia. The government of Tamil Nadu provides weekly iron folic tablets to all the girls in the school of all areas. The signs of anemia வந்து a pale or transparent skin, the inner surface of eyelids are pale, white fingernails, pale gums, weakness and fatigue. In severe cases, face and feet may be swollen. The heartbeat is rapid and with shortness of breath. Children and women who eat mud are usually anemic. ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் அண்ட் ப்ரிவென்ஷன் ஆஃப் அனிமியா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அது சயின்ஸ் தான் இங்கேயும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பேல் ஆர் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் ஸ்கின், பேல் இன்சைட்ஸ் ஆஃப் eyelids, ஒயிட் ஃபிங்கர் நெயில்ஸ், பேல் gums, weakness and fatigue. If the anemia is very severe, face and feet may be swollen, the near rapid, and the person may have shortness of breath. Children and women who like to eat dirt are usually anemic. Points to remember. Health: a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Communicable diseases: diseases that are caused by pathogens and can be transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person directly or indirectly. Non-communicable diseases: diseases that are not caused by pathogens and cannot be passed on by a sick person to a healthy person. First aid: the immediate care given to a patient before a medical person arrives. Thank you. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.